Hello and welcome back to mobile software repairing course. So in the last part of the video, we talked about how to identify the mobile phone chipset. So we said every phone that you are going to work on, you have to first understand the chipset that is powering up that phone. And after understanding the chipset, then you go ahead and select the tool that you are going to use to carry out the task. So to begin with, I wanted to give you a recap of what we have seen in the previous video. So we said if you have a phone that you are going to work on, first of all, I gave you a free tool, which is a platform detector that will help you to identify the mobile phone chipset that you are going to work on. And right in this video, I'm going to give you another trick that you can use to identify chipsets easily. So in the past video, we said if you come across any phone that you are going to work on, the first thing to do is identifying the chipset. So using your USB cable, hold volume up and volume down buttons and then insert the USB cable. Okay, so if everything is good, your computer is going to detect the mobile phone chipset that is installed right in this phone. So now, for example, you're going to do a particular task, but also you should know the type of CPU that is inside this phone. So this will make your work even more easier. For example, this is Tecno BG6. Okay, so with Tecno BG6, if you maybe don't have this platform detector, how can you again tell? The easiest thing that I like to do is use Google. Okay, so the fact that you already know the type of phone that you have, I'm talking about the model, so you can go ahead and do a simple Google search. For example, this is Tecno BG6. Again, if you also confused about the model of the phone, you could use your Google Lens scanner. It will scan the back of your phone and it will be able to tell you which type of phone or the model that you currently have. So you would, for example, use this tool in your computer. So you would type Tecno BG6 chipset. Okay, so when you type this and search, oops, sorry about my internet. Okay, so if you type this and search, it should be able to give you the chipset of this phone. Okay, so you can see Tecno Spark Go 2024, and do you see this? Unisoc. Okay, Unisoc right here, and this is the CPU type, so it gives it as a chipset. So Unisoc, we said in the last video that Unisoc is the same as Spreadtrum. Okay, so okay, you would see this everywhere, name Unisoc. Okay, so this search gives you the chipset. Now if you want to go ahead and understand the type of CPU, you'd also do a Google search of the type of the CPU. Okay, so for example, you'd say Tecno BG6 CPU type, and CPU type is commonly understandable as searching for the CPU type. Yeah, so you do a search, it will tell you the type of CPU installed in that phone. So you can see T606, and I'm just going to show you in a while. So let me open up this tool and just I'm going to show you what exactly I'm talking about. So I'm just going to assume that I have this phone and the one I'm going to work on. So I'm just showing you the step-by-step approach of how to deal with this. So this is my tool loading, and I'm just going to show you a practical demonstration of how you, for example, can bypass password of this one. So first things first. Now there are two things that you can do. For example, because you already know this is a Tecno phone, so you could come to the Tecno section here and just key in the model of the phone, BG6, and this is it. So you select this and then you select the action that you want to do. So for example, if you want to remove FRP, you would select it and again holding volume down button because we said this is spread from boot key is volume down. So volume down and put in the USB. Okay, so it should be able to detect and carry out the task. So just give it a while. I want to show you two different approach. One, we selected the model. So the other one, I want us to select the CPU. Okay, so you can see the task is done and the phone is rebooting. Okay, so same thing, different way. If you want, you can as well as select by the model of the phone. So you come here, you go to model here and select. Okay, so you, for example, put Techno. We are still working on this phone. So then right here, you write the exact model of the phone, BG6, this one right here. So now that you have this, you can go ahead and select the task that you want or boot to read the partition. So if you like, you can select, come to the chip here, and then from the drop down, you select the type of the chip running in this phone. So for example, this one is T606. Okay, so you come to the tool and look for T606, which is Tiger. Okay, T606, this one right here. Okay, then you go ahead and select the task that you want to do, and again, make sure the phone is powered off first completely. And once the phone is completely off, hold volume down. For spread from, if it was MTK, you hold both volume up and volume down. Okay, so volume down and connect. Okay, so the software will identify the phone and it will start right away. So for this task, we are doing factory reset and FRP remove. So I'm just giving you a practical demonstration right here so that you see how we approach this thing. Okay, so this is it. It's rebooting now and it's going to erase just in a while to confirm that the task was successful.